Hello guys, good day. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin ang CPT Markets. Kung sino si CPT Markets, ano yung mga licenses nila, ano yung mga accounts na meron sila, and tignan natin kung ilan yung rating nila with WikiFX. So, ito yung website ng cptmarkets.com. So, yan, upon checking naman, no, medyo yung landing page maganda. And, okay, so, meron akong ano dito, okay, copy about CPT Markets, no? Tingnan natin. Ayan. So, CPT Markets, Money Without Limits. So, CPT Markets is an award-winning CFD broker that empowers traders with the freedom to go beyond borders and unlock limitless opportunities in the global financial markets. Yeah, so CPT is a CFD broker. CFD means contract for difference. So traders are earning through the difference between the buying and selling, as well as selling with and buying, vice versa. So who are we? So CPT Markets has been in the industry for almost 17 years na rin. Okay? Medyo matagal na, no? So almost 2 decades na pala si CPT Markets. So pag medyo matagal na kasi makita mo yung stability no? Unlike with the 1 year pa lang, 2 years pa lang. Okay, so almost 2 years sa CPT Markets. And as you can see naman dito sa right side, so we have various regulations. So sabi dito, we are fully regulated. So under ng AO, FCA and IFSC. So you could check naman, no? Double check with this mga license number and double check it with doon sa mga regulatory body sa specific country kung saan sila na-registered. Okay? Kailangan talaga na registered and licensed si broker para ma-secure natin, no, yung ating syempre yung funds, no, insecurity of our accounts. Okay. So for a solid trading journey begins, makita natin sa CPT Markets had almost 1,000 plus instruments, no? And we have also 360% funds protection. So parang I think it's an indemnity fund. And 24/5 customer support. Maganda. And aside from the support that we have on our client portal, no, we have a dedicated account managers and BDMs here in the Philippines. So if you are in the Philippines, huwag kayong mag-alala kasi may mga local, no, na mga employee or tao si CPT Markets sa Philippines to help us. And may mga free educational materials. So I think nakatulong to especially sa mga newbies and aspiring traders na nagsisimula pa lang sa trading, no? So I believe CPT Markets also offer free webinars sa mga gusto matuto mag-trade. So always check lang the website of CPT Markets PH in the Facebook, no, para may updated tayo sa mga schedule sa mga webinars. And sa platform naman na ginagamit, we have the MT4 and MT5. Okay, kadalasan kasi mga bagong broker ngayon MT5 na lang kasi pahirapan na kumuha ng MT4. But CPT Market started already 17 years ago, so meron tayong na-acquire na MT4. So sa mga gustong gumamit ng MT4, pwede pa rin tayo makagamit here at CPT Markets. So sa account types naman, we have 3 major accounts. We have the Prime, Classic, and ECN. So you can check na lang, no, the specifications on the screen. Okay? So makita niyo na po dyan, usually kasi ang mga accounts, no, default is standard, but with CPT ang tawag nila is classic. Okay, for the minimum deposit here in the Philippines, okay, we have $50, and max leverage for that is 1:1,000. And for the spread, 1.5, medyo kaunting malaki, pero it's fair enough pa rin, no, kasi will be having kumbaga proportionate doon sa commission kasi wala tayong commission na i-charge sa mga trader. Ayan. And we also offer swap free account dito sa CPT Markets. So CPT Markets nag-offer din ng free swap free account. So yung swap kasi ito yung i-charge sa atin once we hold our trade overnight. So dito pwede tayo mag-request with them na i-apply with swap free account na kahit i-hold mo siya ng matagalan, ilang days, ilang weeks, so walang i-charge na swap. Okay, yun yung nakaganda din sa CPT Markets. So how to open a trading account? Okay, complete your online application form, or I will be putting a link in the description below. sa video na to para makapag-create kayo ng account with CPT Markets. Then, submit your ID for POI, proof of ID. We have driver's license, passport, and any valid ID na pwede nating magamit. Then, once you already verified, you can deposit your funds now with various methods. We have Tagalog Pay. We have also, CPT Markets also offer USDT, and we could use credit card and debit card as well. And yeah, after that we could download MT4 and MT5 and you could start trading now with CPT Markets. Okay. So yeah, ito yung mga awards na meron si CPT Markets, no? And just this year I believe for the last Forex Expo, top Forex broker and top customer support din with CFD brokers. Ayan, so yan lang. I hope nakatulong yung video na to. Sorry, hindi ko pala napapakita sa inyo yung rating, no? CPT Markets, okay. For the weekly FX, we have the 8.63/10. Okay? Medyo malaki siya, no? Hindi siya average na 5, 6 kasi kadalasan sa mga ganun eh. Pero with CPT Markets, ayan, you could check this with weekly FX. So weekly FX, ito yung mga list of brokers where you could check also the reviews, the licenses, and also the rating. So for CPT Markets, we have 8.63/10. So not bad. Okay. And we have also the list of licenses here. Okay. So yun lang. I hope nakatuloy yung video na to for us to know about CPT Markets. So God bless. Ciao.